TFNN, The Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN, Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 3 p.m. Eastern Time, final 60 minutes of trading. And boy, we got a trading day out there today, folks. S&Ps right now off by 0.8%. But boy, we were higher. You were near 6,800, and you're talking about a run. You put this thing intraday, that was quite a sell-off. Okay, and we are still right there. You trade from 67.92 to 65.92, 220 S&P points. Currently, we're negative by 52 points. So imagine, you traded down 222 S&P points. We're only off 51 on the session right now. You were dramatically higher on those NVIDIA numbers. NASDAQ 100, how's about 1,100 points? From 25,300 to 24,205. We're off by 353 right now, off 1.5%. Dow off 128 points, or 0.3%. The Russell off by about 1% as well. Percentage-wise, that was a big one as well in the Russell today. Crypto, yeah, it's not stopping in crypto, man. Off 3.1% for Bitcoin. Ethereum off 3.5%. You have Bitcoin just hit a low of 86,075. You jump over to MicroStrategy, off by 4% right now. You just hit 171. How's about that for a straight line move? From 460 to 171. We got some moves in this market, folks. And you talk about the volume. Okay, the NASDAQ futures right now with an hour to go in trading. One of the biggest volumes we've had in going back to the April lows. And you know what's wild is, depending on this last hour, we can break those April numbers, which is remarkable. But that's the type of selling we got going on today. It was a one-way move on that opening bell. You jump over to the ETFs. The SPY, how's that? 124 million shares already. 159 is that acceleration from October 10th. You could break below there, and you could do it on volume. Whew, that would be quite the move on volume. Quite the engulfing candle, taking out everything we've done. You're doing it on volume. That low there on the Qs, 589.05. We're at 589.63. How's that for critical levels? All right, we got some jobs data, and let's jump over to NVIDIA. NVIDIA, how's that for an intraday move? From 198 last night to 182 this morning. NVIDIA off 2.3%. Pretty great numbers. We're coming back, folks. Volatility, VIX spiking as well. We'll come right back.